This summer, I want to give natural babe. I just woke up like this, so I'm going to teach you guys how I achieve this wispy eyelash look with a set of lash clusters. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica. First thing we're going to do is wash and completely dry your face. The lash clusters and spikes that I'll be using today are from a brand on Amazon called Yawamica. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I'll have everything linked down in the description. I'll be using the Lilac Street Glue and a random lash sealant to complete this look. Again, I'll have both of those products linked in the description. We'll be applying the lashes in layers to achieve a dimensional look. So for this first spiky layer, my lash map is 21, 19, and 15. I'll have it also posted up on the screen so you can screenshot it. After every layer, we're going to take a pair of tweezers to squeeze your lashes with the clusters so that it will attach better, and then you'll use a fan to dry them down a little bit. I really like the glue that I've been using for these lash cluster looks because I found that it's long lasting. If you're in rainy weather, it really does seem to be waterproof, sweat-proof, all the things proof over like a 2-week period of time. I also had to stop getting my lashes done officially because there was so much irritation from the glue that they were using on my lashes, which is no offense to the lash techs. I'm just realizing that I'm sensitive to latex, so I had to find a formula that wouldn't cause as much irritation to my eyes, which is why I've stuck with this brand. Be careful about how you apply the lash glue to your lashes. So I have a few tips for a better application. I personally like to use a small mirror to look at underneath so I can see my lash line. I think this helps me better with seeing where I'm placing the lashes. I only apply the glue to the lash cluster lash line to avoid damage when it attaches to my own lashes. I also feel like this helps better with security over a long period of time. I also like to let the glue on the lash cluster air dry just for a few seconds before I actually attach it to my lashes. I feel like the glue gets a little bit tacky and the adherence is better. When you're placing your lashes, don't place them right on your waterline, so you'll be able to see that better when you have your mirror underneath, but make sure you avoid that waterline because this will cause irritation to your eyes and they just won't last as long. The purpose of the second or third layer is to add volume to your set. So for my second layer, my lash map going from the outside to the inside is 20, 18, 18, 16, and 14. Again, I'll have it posted up on the screen so you can screenshot this, but if you want more volume in your set, you can double up or triple up the volume layers. So I kept it simple and wispy for this set with just adding 1 layer of volumes, but you can add 2 or 3. I also like to press up against the lashes while they're drying to make them dry curled up. So the volume set that I use has D curls in it, which matches most with my naturally curly lashes. So I just like to make sure that I'm not losing curl while the lashes are drying, so I'll push them up. When your final layer of lashes are set and dry, it's time to seal in your look. So to achieve this, I'm going to take out the lash sealant. It doesn't matter the brand, but I do like the brands that come with the double-sided glue and sealant. So I'm using this one. I like it because the applicator has like a ballpoint tip, which makes it a lot easier to apply to your inner corners and outer lashes without irritating your eye. So I like to use this one. Usually for me, my lash clusters last about a week and a half to 2 weeks if I take really good care of them. So it's really important that you avoid any water on your lashes for at least 24 hours so that you can allow the glue time to fully dry and set. So I usually like to do my lash sets the night of or right after my shower, just so I can give them extra time to set and dry while I sleep. As part of my maintenance routine, I would say I touch up my lash sets or remove them and reapply a whole entire new one every 2 weeks. So I'll usually do this bi-weekly. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I want to know how many of you have tried lash clusters at home or what your favorite lash style is. Maybe I'll give that a shot in the next video. Summer is right around the corner, so what are you waiting for? You don't have to book an appointment anywhere. You just have to get you a set and try it out at home. If you like this video, don't forget to comment and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!